touching young hearts and minds.
Hello everyone, it's Pop Drop and I'm here with my two mad scientists, Nova and Nayi, and today we are going to make it rain.
So for today's science class, we're going to have a glass of water, shaving cream, and food coloring.
Alright, so to do this science experiment, we put a bowl here to prop up the glass. That way the girls can witness the magic happening. So what I'm going to do is just put a nice little layer of shaving cream here on the top. Just like that. It's making some funny sounds over here. Alright, so next we are going to open up these little food coloring bottles. And we have all the colors of the rainbow here. We're going to pour them on top of this little rain cloud that we have here in the glass. Go ahead and open up your food colorings. And we're going to pour it all in at the same time.
Yeah.
All right, ready, girls?
Yes.
Here we go.
Make it rain, girl, make it rain. 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 What if it's just me? 영화 한 편 끝나듯이 as real as it can be. 급했던 기억들은 where I can just see. 창문 없는 방에 when I am so free. Mother Russia in my cup and my glass is fogging up. Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
Alright, here comes the fun part. The science project isn't over just yet. Go ahead and grab a spoon to mix in the food coloring to see what types of fun creations you can make. Notice, when you're mixing, you can make new colors.
A brown,
A cool purplish,
cool purplish.
and rainbows.
I see greens, blues, yellows.
I just love the smell. And white.
Alright, can anyone tell me why the raindrops sank to the bottom of the glass?
Gravity. It's the same reason we're not floating off into space. It's also why the planets are orbiting around the sun.
Good answer, and thankfully so. If Earth wasn't orbiting around the sun, we would freeze. And if we got too close to the sun, we would burn. That would not be good for us, would it? So, since today's topic is on rain, I would like to raise awareness about water.
Water is so incredible. It is essential to all living things on planet Earth. It cleanses everything from the ground, the plants, the trees, animals, even our bodies, inside and out. Therefore, it is important for us to have a positive relationship with our water. The more we honor and feel gratitude towards water, the greater assistance we will receive from it in our lives. Same way we can heal ourselves with our water, we can also heal the water. Quantum physics is beginning to prove this, and it just shows that what the indigenous have been practicing for thousands of years have been correct. By simply having a positive relationship with water, we can heal together. Our water in the oceans, rivers, and lakes are more polluted and toxic than ever. This cannot be more important than now. There's an ancient proverb that goes a little something like this. If you want to live a happy life, leave a place better than you found it. When I heard this, I knew I had to spring into action. It is really quite easy. Every time you go to your favorite beach, lake, or river, take a plastic bag with you and take 5 minutes before you leave to help clean up the trash left behind by others. This way, it doesn't end up polluting our waterways. Do this once and notice how good you feel inside after. This will be a forever lasting positive memory in your mind. Do it more than once and notice how the peace and happiness increases from within. Now that we talked about water and the environment, check out these tips about water and your health. Always remember, one of the first things you should do in the morning is drink a cup of water. This helps with two things. It cleanses your body and digestive organs since you just went 8 hours without eating. It also rehydrates you since you just went several hours without drinking water. Stay healthy and drink plenty of water throughout the day. I had to give a shout out to Iron Flask. I dropped their link down below if you're interested. Ever since I received mine in the mail, it has become my baby. It nurtures me and I nurture it. I love you. Angu. This flask makes it easy to make sure I'm drinking enough water every day. I fill it to the top with the 8 cups of recommended daily water consumption. I send it some positive vibes, and I indulge in its greatness. Now that you love your water and your water loves you back, just remember that even on a rainy day, it's a beautiful day. Life is all about perspective. Just think about all the beautiful things that come about from the rain. Today, we're donating $25 to one tree planted. Every dollar plants one tree. We'll see you next time.